So fundraising is a set of activities through which you access the necessary funds to assure your organization sustainability, meaning to assure the revenues necessary to achieve your mission and to do your activities. But sustainable funding can be achieved only through gaining the trust of your potential and actual founders. How you can gain the trust of them? In order to think of that, imagine that you are a founder and that you should give money to an organization because you really believe in the mission of this organization. To what kind of organization would you give money? Think a moment. What would be your characteristics? And when we did it in our training, the main characteristics are actually three, and people come up with them. That means an organization should have integrity, an organization should have accountability and transparency, and should have professional and managerial capacity. Now we will talk about each of them in more detail. What does it mean that you have integrity? We defined it in a very simple way. It means walk your talk. It means keeping your promises and honoring your word. What does it mean when you honor your word? It means that if it's not possible to keep your word, you say it's not possible, and you deal with the impact of your not keeping your word. You promise another action, and then you keep it. And you can restore your integrity in every moment. Just have in mind that when you have a promise, you have to keep it, and you are not able to keep it, just say, I am not able to keep it. I deal with the consequences, and I really take responsibility for them. What means accountability? Accountability means being responsible to someone for your actions. You have to explain, clarify, and justify your actions. And it implies that this somebody has the right to know and hold you accountable. And normally founders, those who give you money, have this right. And you have the duty to explain and account for your actions, for your organization actions. And what does it mean to be transparent? Transparency means that you should be easy to be understood. It doesn't mean that you give all the information about your organization, but it means that you give the information in such a way that everybody or those to whom you give this information should understand it. You should speak the language of those for whom you give this information, and you should structure it so to be easy understood. You have to be open, frank, and honest in all your communication, transactions, and operations. And professional and managerial capacity, we can define it in two ways: to be effective and to be efficient. And we say to be effective means doing the right things, and to be efficient means doing the things right. And if you think of your organization, if you have these characteristics, and if not, think how you can acquire them so that you become trustful and founders can trust you.